Good morning, children. Today we will be doing the map of major cities to start with, and then minerals and population. Now, as you can see, I have ticked a few of the cities in your book on page 85, where Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Allahabad have been ticked, as the remaining cities have now been removed from the syllabus for this particular year. Now we will be seeing these cities which are there marked with the red dots and mark them in the map. So we start with Delhi, and as you can see over here the rivers are marked, Yamuna and Ganga and so on, and if you observe, this is the boundary of Nepal. Therefore you need to just imagine that you are going straight from this tip of Nepal over here of the country of Nepal and come straight to the edge of river Yamuna. Straight from here, and you mark a tiny dot, and this dot will be Delhi. Okay, then earlier also when we were marking IST, I had told you all that river Yamuna and river Ganga, they meet over here, and here you will mark a dot just at the point here, and this will be Allahabad. Okay, then we come to Kolkata, and you will see this indentation in the groove here, and you will just mark a dot here. This dot is Kolkata. Then we go down and see this curve which is there of the Coromandel coast between the Kaveri river and the Krishna river, this curve, and in the middle of this curve here, and children, remember, on the side of the land, your dot has to be on the land and not on the Bay of Bengal or the sea. You have Chennai. And finally we come to this indentation over here below the rivers Narmada, Tapi and the Godavari starting here. You will mark a dot over here, and this is Mumbai. So 5 cities that we have to mark now are these 5 cities. There are only 2 areas of minerals, children, that are to be marked now. Earlier there were 4, but now we only have 2. So the first one that you will be marking is Mumbai High. Now for Mumbai High, you already have marked Mumbai, and you can see this Gujarat's Kathiawar Peninsula. So you will imagine that you are taking a line straight down here and here, and just a little to the inner side you will mark the dot, and this dot will be Mumbai High. Don't forget to write the entire name Mumbai High, okay? If you just write Mumbai, it will obviously be wrong. And the other place, this is of course for oil, Mumbai High, and the other mineral place that you are marking is very easy. You see these 2 streams or rivers which belong to the river Damodar. So you simply imagine the center point between the tip of these 2 rivers which are starting here, and this is Jharia. So these 2 places for minerals and the 5 cities are to be learnt now and drawn by you all.